And finally, Boeing. We are in a downward channel on the 5 still. So what happened? Again, ignore all the horizontal lines. I should delete this. All right, we are at 214.20, down 0.42%. Resistance, 215.10, and then 216.14. The middle of the trend is close to an area I've already marked out. And when did I do that? I marked that out, oh boy, weeks and weeks and weeks ago. And now we're just going back, grinding back to that area. My goodness. Wow. How many? Wow, I marked that out on April 2nd of 2026. This is August. Giving it all back. So we are so close to here, I will delete that, clean it up a little bit. All right, here's support on the way down. That will bounce potentially here or grind sideways, chop sideways hopefully, and then reverse. But we have gaps to the south side, so I don't know. 209.63 still doesn't look good. 208.53 and then 207.40. So we have many gaps to the south side. This one will take us down to roughly 186. My goodness. This one is 183. It's going to be a battle, but watch out. And then there was this one down to 199. So by the end of the week, the middle of the trend could take us to 193.14 and the lower band roughly 188.71. So what happened last week? Stair-stepping it down. So we were at 231.67. This is support, potential buy-in area. We're just grinding sideways and then just making legs downward. Well, that didn't really make sense. All right, here's support and a buy-in. Even though we're going down, we could bounce still, but ride out this line, still taking us down. All right, this is done. Let's just say right there, Thursday, August 20th. No longer in play.